Hi, this is Janet with Try It Like It Create It, and today I want to show you a product that is new to me called FixnZip. Now, I was sent samples of this to give it a try, and I just want to show you what came in the packaging here, and it tells you what kind of zipper this replaces over here. So this is a pretty sturdy replacement zipper, and then it also gives you suggestions on the back for size, and then it tells you how it works. And I'll show you that in a second. Now the second package here has a variety of different sizes, so you can see that they're small and then a very much larger one. And so the small one you could use, for clothing or backpacks, sleeping bags. I might go with the medium, although this size might work as well. But then you can go way up to like a tent or your boat cover and so forth, and you would go with the largest one. And this package also has the size guide on the back and the instructions. So let me show you how simple this is. So you have a zipper and it has come apart on you and you don't know what to do. So I'm going to take this FixnZip and I'm going to take it to my broken zipper here, and I'm going to line this up with the bottom metal piece here. I'm just going to slide it right over there. Make sure I've got it lined up on both sides. Okay. And then I've got my zipper pulled inside here tight. Alright, slide it back in there. Pull my zipper in. And then I'm going to twist the screw back down into place. I'm going to make that rather tight. Make sure everything is lined up correctly. And then you're just going to pull on the keyring loop and your zipper is fixed. If you have it undone like I do at the top here, be careful that you don't pull it all the way off, because then you're going to have to go back in and fix that zipper again.